In this video, I'll be answering the question, what is Bitcoin? And I'll also explain how Bitcoin works, step by step. Let's get started. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital currency that can be transferred through the internet. It is a decentralized currency, meaning that it doesn't belong to any country or institution. Bitcoin was created by an unknown person who goes by the name Satoshi Nakamoto. It was introduced on October 31, 2008 to a cryptography mailing list, and released as open-source software in 2009. The system is peer-to-peer and transactions take place between users directly without an intermediary. These transactions are verified by network nodes through the use of cryptography and recorded in a public distributed ledger called the blockchain. Since its release in 2009, Bitcoin has become the world's most widely used cryptocurrency by market cap. As of 2021, Bitcoin reached an all-time high of about $70,000. The Bitcoin network is peer-to-peer and transactions take place between users directly, without an intermediary. There are no physical Bitcoins. Only balance is kept on a public ledger in the cloud that, along with all Bitcoin transactions, is verified by a massive amount of computing power. Bitcoins are not issued or backed by any banks or governments. The Bitcoin network is made up of thousands of computers around the world running software that validates transactions and produces new Bitcoins. These computers are known as miners and they are rewarded with newly generated Bitcoins for their work. Bitcoin mining is the process of adding transaction records to Bitcoin's public ledger of past transactions. This ledger of past transactions is called the blockchain as it is a chain of blocks. The blockchain serves to confirm transactions to the rest of the network as having taken place. Bitcoin nodes use the blockchain to distinguish legitimate Bitcoin transactions from attempts to respend coins that have already been spent elsewhere. Bitcoin mining requires intense computing power and can only be done profitably with specialized hardware. How to buy or sell Bitcoin? The process of buying or selling Bitcoin is not as simple as it seems. There are a number of steps that need to be taken before you can buy or sell Bitcoin. First, you will need to create a wallet, and then you will need to get some Bitcoins. This can be done by exchanging them for fiat currency on an exchange, accepting them as payment for goods and services, mining them with specialized hardware, or trading with someone in person. Once you have your Bitcoins, then you can use them to purchase goods or services on the internet. Convert them back into fiat currency at an exchange. Hold on to them for investment purposes or send funds to someone else who has a Bitcoin wallet address. Benefits of using Bitcoin. Some of the benefits of using Bitcoin are: it's decentralized and not controlled by any bank or country. It's also transparent and public. You can't counterfeit it because it's based on math rather than relying on physical materials like the fiat currency such as the US dollar. You can use it in any country because it's not tied to a specific economy. You are in control of your money at all times. If you want to spend your money, you can do so without having to go through banks or other financial institutions. Your transactions are anonymous and secure as long as you use an encrypted wallet which has two keys, public and private key. To get started with Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, click the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.